Capture.
No, not like that.
I did it like this.
No, you didn't do it.
Okay. I don't know how. Like this?
Like this, but hey, like you just.
Oh, so I can do it like this?
Yeah. God, this is gonna hurt. Never mind. I'm changing my mind.
Do you want me to do it like this?
No, because that hurts.
You can do it to me.
Okay.
Okay, turn. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I got the TV.
Alright.
Oh! Wait, let me get a picture.
That sounded like it hurt.
Okay, no more of those!
Oh!
Oh!
That first one sounded like it hurt so
Oh,
bad.
dude! Oh, you got me right in the arm! Oh!
And you know we're still recording.
Oh! Okay, let's do this.
No, turn around. Show the camera your back.
Give me your back, dude.
Oh! Look at that!
Oh, man.
Dude. I gave you a wow.
Oh, man.
What is my gut?
Wait. Oh, my gosh! Your back is red.
Look. Look at this. Oh, that is so red.
You're
You're
just
just
like,
alright, we're not doing that anymore.
Yeah, come on.
No,
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
No more.
It's supposed to still record each other, right?
Here's your belt.
If you do it again, dude, I swear to God, I'm gonna hit you so hard.
Dude, it's just
If you do it one more time, I swear
like
to
that.
I'm gonna do it so hard. I'm gonna make that last one with the.
I'll do it with the metal one, with that beaded one.
Dude,
Do
I
it straight hits.
dare you.
Straight hits with the metal, with the beaded one.
I'm not doing this.
Alright, signing off.